Forget Airbnb empty rooms, big bucks. Have you ever thought about the potential of those unused spaces in your home? While Airbnb has revolutionized the way we think about short-term rentals, there's a new trend on the rise that's even more exciting. You know about Airbnb, right? It's the platform that allows people to rent out their homes or spare rooms to travelers from all over the world. It's been a game changer for homeowners looking to make some extra cash, people renting out their homes for extra cash. But what if I told you there's an even easier way to monetize your space without the hassle of hosting guests? Now imagine this, making money from your empty rooms without having to deal with any guests. No more worrying about cleaning up after strangers or coordinating check-ins and check-outs. Instead, you can turn those empty rooms into a steady stream of income by renting them out to businesses and professionals who need temporary office space. That's right. No more changing bed sheets or worrying about messy kitchens. With this new model, you can keep your home exactly the way you like it while still earning money. This is the new way to earn passive income, and it's booming. More and more people are discovering the benefits of renting out their unused spaces to businesses. We're talking $1,000 or more per month just by letting businesses use your empty space. Imagine the possibilities. You could pay off your mortgage faster, save for a dream vacation, or simply enjoy the extra financial cushion. The best part is you don't need to make any major changes to your home. A simple, clean, and quiet room is all it takes to attract professionals looking for a temporary workspace. And the process is straightforward. You can list your space on various platforms that connect homeowners with businesses. Once you find a match, you can set the terms and conditions that work best for you. So, if you have an empty room or two, why not put them to good use? It's a win-win situation. You get to enjoy the comfort of your home while earning extra income, and businesses get the temporary space they need. Start exploring this new opportunity today and see how your empty rooms can turn into big bucks. The potential is limitless, and the rewards are waiting for you. Don't let those empty rooms go to waste. Transform them into a source of passive income, and watch your financial goals become a reality. It's time to make the most of your space and enjoy the benefits of this innovative trend. So how does it work? Simple. You list your spare room, garage, or even basement on special online platforms. These platforms connect you with businesses and individuals who need space for storage or work. Think photographers needing a studio, freelancers wanting a quiet office, or online sellers storing inventory. You might be surprised by who's renting these spaces. It's not just big companies. Freelancers, artists, small businesses, everyone's looking for affordable, flexible spaces. Imagine a chef renting your garage to bake cakes, or a band using your basement as a practice space. The possibilities are endless. The best part? No tenants. You don't have to deal with late-night calls, property damage, or chasing rent payments. It's truly passive income. You list the space, set your price, and collect your earnings. It's that simple. Beyond the obvious quirky uses for empty spaces. When we think of empty spaces in our homes, we often overlook their potential. But with a bit of creativity, these spaces can be transformed into something truly special. This isn't just about renting out a spare bedroom. Think outside the box. Got a large garage? Most people use their garages for parking cars or storing old items, but there's so much more you can do. A film crew might rent it for storage. Imagine the possibilities. Your garage could become a mini studio for budding filmmakers or a storage space for their equipment. It's a win-win situation. They get the space they need, and you get some extra income. Have a spacious basement? It could be a perfect workshop for a furniture restorer. Basements are often underutilized, but they can be ideal for creative projects. With the right lighting and setup, your basement could become a haven for artists, craftsmen, or even a startup business. The more unique your space, the more attractive it becomes. Think about it. A quirky attic could be transformed into a cozy reading nook, a sunroom could become a yoga studio, or an unused dining room could be the perfect spot for a home office. The possibilities are endless. It's all about seeing the potential in the spaces you have. Don't let any area go to waste. With a bit of imagination and effort, you can turn any empty space into something functional and beautiful. So next time you walk past that empty room or unused corner, think about what it could become. The only limit is your creativity. Secret platforms, serious profits, where to list your space. Now you're probably wondering, where are these magical platforms? There are several hidden gems online like Neighbor, Store at My House, and Share My Space. These platforms specialize in connecting people with empty spaces to those who need them. $1,000 a month? Yes, it's possible. Imagine the freedom and opportunities that come with an extra $1,000 in your pocket every single month. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, or simply have more financial flexibility, this goal is within your reach. Earning $1,000 or more per month is achievable. It might seem daunting at first, but with the right strategy and a bit of effort, you can turn this dream into a reality. The key is to understand the factors that influence your earning potential and to leverage them to your advantage. It all depends on your location, the size of your space, and the demand in your area. For instance, if you live in a bustling city or a popular tourist destination, you might find that there's a high demand for short-term rentals. On the other hand, even in quieter areas, unique or well-presented spaces can attract a steady stream of guests. Prime locations and unique spaces command higher prices. Think about what makes your space special. Is it the modern, stylish decor, or perhaps a unique theme that sets it apart from the rest? Highlight these features in your listing to attract more guests and justify a higher rate. Do your research, set a competitive rate, and watch the bookings roll in. Start by looking at similar listings in your area to get an idea of what others are charging. Adjust your rates based on the demand and the unique features of your space. Keep an eye on your calendar, and be prepared to adjust your pricing as needed to maximize your occupancy and earnings. With dedication and a strategic approach, you can achieve your goal of earning an extra $1,000 a month. Your empty room, your ticket to financial freedom. This isn't just about making extra cash, it's about taking control of your finances. Imagine paying off debt faster, investing more, or finally taking that dream vacation. Your empty room could be the key to unlocking your financial goals. Ready to cash in? Take action. Don't wait. Explore these platforms, list your space, and start earning passive income today. It's time to turn that empty room into a money-making machine.